he is a very practical person, I'm a very emotional person, so that way I think we balance each other. He gives me the logic of things, I tell him what I feel spontaneously or instinctively. I want to have a fulfilling professional life and even more fulfilling personal life. So I want there to be peace, happiness.
Any magical thing that happened to you recently that you wanted कि काश ये हो जाता?
आज तक मैंने जो चाहा है, जो बोला मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए, वो कभी नहीं मिला.
Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today I'm in conversation with the gorgeous lady sitting in front of me with the soothing voice and lovely voice.
Aww.
Morning Roy,
Hello.
welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I am good, how are you?
I'm good too.
But soothing voice मैंने इसलिए भी बोला है क्योंकि आपने माँ सीता माँ को वॉइस दी है, एक आवाज़ दी, which is such a pure thing, you know. आपको क्या लगता है कि आपने जब आप आवाज़ दे रहे थे, वॉइस ओवर्स कर रहे थे, do you think you had to practice or modulate something or you just kept it candid for the voice?
कैंडिड तो आप किसी भी कैरेक्टर के लिए कुछ लाइक कैजुअली कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. मैं पहले भी ये कह रही थी कि जब आप एक माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर या फैंटेसी फिक्शन या फिर हिस्टोरिकल कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हो तो आपको उनकी बैक स्टोरी जाननी बहुत ज़रूरी है. मैं बचपन से ही रामायण, महाभारत, भगवद गीता पढ़ के बड़ी हुई हूँ. ऑल्सो शोज देखा है, आपने भी देखा होगा आई गेस. रामायण और महाभारत आता था डीडी पे.
लॉकडाउन में तो
सबने देखा है, सब वही देखते हैं, देख रहे थे. तो स्टोरी पता थी मुझे, इम्पोर्टेंस पता था इस कैरेक्टर का, इस कहानी का. इट्स लिटरली इट्स नॉट इवन माइथोलॉजी. आई थिंक इट्स रामायण इज पार्ट ऑफ आवर हिस्ट्री प्रीटी मच. इट्स धर्म, अधर्म पे धर्म की जीत, यू नो. सो मैंने जो किया वो है पढ़ा उसके बारे में. सो आई read up a lot about it before going for dubbing. If I had any questions, I asked my writer. It was very important for me to know at what, because you know कभी कभी आगे पीछे डब करते हो, it's not always linear. So I used to ask about the scene, where is Sita's mindset at that point of time, what is she thinking, what is she feeling, and with what feeling is she saying those lines. Because when you're say dubbing for a character that you play or which is human, the expressions are very clear, the lip sync is very clear and easy. So those are a few challenges that you have to overcome when you're dubbing for an animated character. But I think we are at a good place, yeah.
So glad. But जब आप वॉइस ओवर दे रहे थे, आपके सामने विजुअल्स थे या विजुअल्स थे? That was amazing.
वो मूवी बन गई थी पूरी. जब तक हमने सबने इनफैक्ट जब तक डबिंग स्टार्ट की, बाद में हुआ है. बट अदरवाइज इट विल गेट वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आप कहाँ यू नो आपको स्पीड भी होता है, कहाँ पॉजेज लेने हैं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ विजुअल टू गिव इट योर वॉइस.
But what the wait होगा now? Let's wait for Diwali, which is very very soon.
Yeah.
What's your Diwali plan? But first,
my Diwali plans, I'm actually starting a new show tomorrow.
Wow.
So I'm shooting non-stop till like the 19th, and I think I have 2-3 days off during Diwali.
Amazing.
So normal usual. I'll do puja. I'll be with my family. I'll probably go visit a best friend's house for dinner or lunch. So yeah.
कल करवा चौथ भी था.
जी.
I saw your stories. Absolutely good.
Thank you.
अपने चांद के लिए आपने व्रत रखा था कल?
जी, पूरा का पूरा व्रत रखा था, प्रॉपरली सब कुछ.
हैरी पॉटर उनो कौन सी उनो होती है?
Oh, that's a new one. You don't get it. So my husband got it from Dubai as a part of my birthday present because I'm a big Uno fan. And बहुत fun का. आपको Uno पसंद है?
नहीं. हाँ मतलब उनो नहीं, उनो पसंद है, लेकिन वो जो डबल फ्लिप वाला होता है ना, वो मेरे को
+4 and +2, but that's the fun, no? So इसमें कुछ नए कार्ड्स भी हैं, बहुत फन कार्ड्स हैं जो आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आएंगे, पर मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं. जब तक आपके पास ना आए तब तक ठीक है. तो होता ये है कि आप जब तक पूजा नहीं होती करवा चौथ की, you're fine. फिर 6:30-7 बजे वो जो पूजा के बाद का टाइम होता है चांद के लिए वेट करने का ना, then you feel very hungry and you're like, oh God, चांद आ जाओ. And so somehow just to kill time and like have a happy time during that time, me and my husband were playing Uno.
Cute. And अगर आपको किसी एक बॉलीवुड कैरेक्टर या बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी और पर्सन पब्लिक फिगर को आवाज़ देनी होगी तो आप किसको देते हैं?
किसी को नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I think they all have stunning voices and they all are very very talented.
Yeah.
And I think we should all have our own voices
That's true.
when we are playing a character.
ऑल्सो सबको काफ़ी हद तक लोगों को पता है कि आप भगवान शिव को काफ़ी ज़्यादा मानते हैं.
जी.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, हु इज दैट वन गॉड और गॉडेस यू एडमायर, जिनसे आप इंस्पिरेशन लेते हो?
I am a religious person.
Yeah.
And I think Shivji, Krishnaji, Durga Ma, these are the gods and goddesses that I have grown up on.
Oh.
Having said that, I have my faith on every god.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is the most spiritual thing you do daily in your daily routine?
My puja part and my chants and my sadhana. Yeah.
Okay, what is Moni Roy up to next? What is she? What's in her mind? अगर मैं पूछूं कि आपको क्या चाहिए आपके goals में?
I want to live a very balanced, happy life. I want to have a fulfilling professional life and even more fulfilling personal life. So I want there to be peace, happiness. I have reached a place in my life where I feel like, I don't mind being bored. I don't mind a lot of peace and shanti. So I don't want drama.
Exactly.
I want the life to. I always feel like there's always a higher purpose in life than to just go on chasing work, chasing money, chasing a partner, chasing anything. I think जब आप खुद शांत हो जाते हो ना, आप एक sense of balance अगर create करते हो अपने inside, और आपके आसपास की चीज़ों में भी reflect होने लगती है. So that's
That
what
is
it is. And having said that, I'm a workaholic. I'll never stop working. And I'm ambitious, but I'm not. I don't know how to tell you this. I'm not running a rat race or running after it.
Yeah.
So that's the.
मतलब जो आ रहा है प्लेट में वो आप एक्सेप्ट करते जा रहे हैं.
And work very very hard for it.
Yeah.
Give it your 100%.
Yes, for
Yeah.
sure, for sure. Also, आप दोनों में से आपके हस्बैंड में से कौन ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअल है, या फिर एक चीज़ जो आप दोनों ने एक दूसरे को सिखाई है अब तक?
He is a very practical person. I'm a very emotional person. So that way, I think we balance each other. He gives me the logic of things. I tell him what I feel spontaneously or instinctively. So I think that's why, and I think both of us are very spiritual in in our own way. I can come up with, I may come up with, nice quotes or something that I feel, something that are feel good lines. His spirituality, he'll make you laugh, he'll make you happy, he'll pull your leg. So I think God and spirituality dwells in your everyday life in small little things. And that's what we should
admire.
Not just admire, we should want that.
Yeah.
And we should follow. You should follow the bliss.
Yes, definitely. Well put.
Rather than being an energy vampire.
Yeah.
ये भी चाहिए, ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. So your mindset is, there will always be good and the bad, like in Ramayana.
Yeah.
And that will be inside you as well. Ram and Ravan is always inside you as well.
Yeah.
So it'll be on you which one you feed.
और कहीं एक ह्यूमन नेचर में भी इंट्यूशंस वर्क करते हैं, मैनिफेस्टेशंस, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बोल दो, लेकिन एनी मैजिकल थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू यू रिसेंटली दैट यू वांटेड कि काश ये हो जाता, बट लेकिन आपने जैसे कहा कि यू डिडंट चेज इट, आप उसके पीछे भाग नहीं रहे थे, बट यू हैव दैट थॉट इन योर माइंड कि व्हाट.
मैं कमाल की बात बताऊं, आज तक मैंने जो चाहा है, जो बोला मुझे चाहिए, वो कभी नहीं मिलता. And I have come to a conclusion कि either God में आपका complete surrender है या तो नहीं है. There is nothing बीच का. But having said that, has magic happened? Has miracles happened? Yes. I may not have gotten whatever I wanted exactly or precisely, but God has always given me what I needed at that point of time. What I should have done. So I have no regrets, because I think in a journey from being a girl to being a woman, you see so many ups and downs and you realize so many things. Then at one point you're like, I'm going to be ambitious, but I'm going to be very ambitious about my present. If I'm in this interview with you today 100% giving it my all, probably the next thing I do in the day also I will go with the same gusto or energy. And if my mind is all over the place right now, it'll be the same thing. It'll be chaotic the rest of the day as well. So आप मुझे जो भी कोई काम देंगे, मैं अपना दिल लगा के, मन लगा के, अपना 100% देके करूँगी. And I truly believe there's no shortcut to hard work. Work begets work. आप जितना काम करोगे, आपको उतना काम मिलता जाएगा. And कभी-कभी unities of time, space and action भी होता है. आपकी destiny होती है, आपका luck होता है. So live, यार. I want to live.
Just live and just go.
Be a good person, a kind person, and leave the rest to God.
Yeah.
आप सारा तांडव आप खुद कर लोगे तो शिव जी क्या करेंगे?
Well said. लेकिन what do you think that इस generation से, because it is such a drastic change, you know, आजकल की environment में बहुत कुछ होता रहता है. आपको क्या लगता है कि रामायण से आजकल के youth को क्या message लेना चाहिए?
बहुत कुछ. To walk the path of dharma. It treats you, it shows you, say Sita Ma's character shows you how to be pure, how to have, बोलते ना अखंड faith, कि कुछ भी हो जाए, he has my back. I think we get very hopeless very quickly. We feel very sad and moody throughout the day, including me. I'm not saying, I'm just talking about this character and Ramayana in general. एंड फ्रेंडशिप एंड लॉयल्टी, जिस तरह राम और लक्ष्मण और उनके ब्रदर्स में आप देखो, आप मतलब ईगो इज योर बिगेस्ट. रावण वाज एक्चुअली अ शिव भक्त. Had it not been for his ego, he wouldn't have walked the path of adharma, and it wouldn't have happened what happened. So there are so many. I still get goosebumps when I start talking about it. You know, devotion, Hanuman ji ka devotion towards his Ram. And without asking any questions, you know, sometimes even when we are doing something for a friend, in our mind it is always there saying, you know, I did this for her, so now I can expect.
Yes.
But you shouldn't do it. You shouldn't do it then. Like if you are expecting something while doing something good for somebody, whether it's your friend, whether it's somebody, whether you're doing just seva, then that's not seva. Then that's not friendship. So you learn so much from a book.
Exactly, as you said.
A movie called Ramayana.
Yeah, as you said, about love, about friendship, about
devotion, about dharma.
About dharma, it's all.
Yeah.
Not just Ramayana, Mahabharata, every mythological stories that we should get inspired from. Lekin, what is that one thing that you really don't want to? Every actors have their boundaries, okay? Like, I won't do it because my values, my rituals doesn't match this character or role. What is that?
Probably nudity. Like, I don't know to, like, I'd probably have to read the script, and it's a very hypothetical question, and I'm not a hypothetical person. So we'll cross the bridge when we come to it. But like too much of any, I mean.
Yeah. Okay. तो आपका कोई ऐसा अभी तक कोई मंदिर है जो आपकी विश है कि in your bucket list that I want to
finish all the Jyotirlings. I've done.
Yes,
I want to. And there is Neem Karoli Baba that I want to go to. There is some temples down south. I can't remember all the names. No, Tirupati I have been to. Rameshwaram I have been to. But there are some. You know, last year I went to a temple where there was 108 Shivlings. Like big ones. It was so beautiful. It's somewhere in Tamil Nadu. I'm forgetting. It's not like a huge temple, but I absolutely love doing temple runs. Plus, South Indian food is so good.
I'll talk about that. But what a lovely energy you must be getting in that place. Also, Ranbir Kapoor ki abhi all are waiting for his Ramayana. Also,
my God, the background is so good. So good, the BGM.
What do you have to say about it? Which character that you really want to see it?
I want to watch the whole film. I'm eagerly waiting for it, and I think all the actors will do a fab job.
Also,
it'll be a treat to watch and to experience.
Yeah, definitely. So as other actors sacrifice things to get in a particular role, what is the thing that you have sacrificed personally to get any role, to get any habit or whatever?
Sacrificed? I won't call it a sacrifice. If I need to say, need to eat less or eat more or do something or quit something, I would do it. I think it comes from a place of being an actor, being passionate about your craft, wanting to play the part to its fullest and give it your all.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't think of it as a sacrifice. It's something that you need to do. If you have to be in a certain discipline, you just do it.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, what's your go-to mantra? Calm energy person in this. What's your divine mantra in your daily life?
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्तु मा फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो.
Wow.
So I'm actually an ulta from manifestation, because I feel like I'm all for it. Like, you can leave a thought out in the universe and let God do its magic. But I feel like when you keep asking, like, I personally feel that universe you won't like an energy vampire.
Yeah.
Like, you would love a fan, but you won't like a stalker, right? So that's my thing. कि आप कर्म करो और फल की चिंता मत
फल
करो.
की चिंता मत करो. That everybody
Also, another thing I have realized in course of life, and it's a very good book. If you find it, please read it. It's a very thin book called God Loves Joy.
Wow.
So wherever there is happiness, where there is peace, God will dwell there. And wherever there is too much sadness and like, you are too much into your head, you kind of have to physically stop it. Otherwise, it's like, बोलते हैं ना, खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर.
Actually, and that works. But लेकिन जो आपने ये सलाह दी है, that everybody should follow. And thank you so much for having.
Thank you
with
so
us.
much. You're so
And
lovely.
Lovely. You were so lovely.
Thank
It was
you.
lovely meeting you, and wish you all the best. And
Thank
may
you.
glow, may grow. आपका जो show भी आ रहा है, वो भी अब उसके लिए भी मिलते हैं.
Thank you so much. Hi, I'm Moni Roy, and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.